Looking for the best Fujifilm lenses in 2025? Whether you shoot portraits, landscapes, or action, we've tested the top zoom and prime lenses for the X series. Stay tuned to find out which lens delivers the perfect blend of sharpness, speed, and versatility for your Fujifilm camera. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment below with which one you think is best. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. The Fujifilm XF 33mm f1.4 R LM WR. This lens is a standout prime in Fujifilm's fast f1.4 lineup. The 33mm focal length might seem a bit unusual, but on Fujifilm's APS-C cameras, it gives you a classic 50mm equivalent, perfect for versatile, natural framing. It's a bit larger than typical 50mm lenses, but that's the trade-off for its fast linear motor autofocus and wide f1.4 aperture. The result? Stunning sharpness and beautiful depth of field. Build quality is excellent, and the weather resistance is a big plus. Plus, the manual aperture ring makes it a perfect match for Fujifilm's retro-style bodies like the X-T4, X-Pro 3, or X-T32. Together, they create a tactile, fully manual shooting experience loved by both enthusiasts and pros. Number 2, the Fujifilm XF 16-55mm f2.8 R LM WR2. This is Fujifilm's top-tier red badge zoom, designed as their answer to professional 24-70mm f2.8 full-frame lenses. With an effective focal length of 24-84mm, it gives you a slightly longer reach. Its robust, weather-resistant construction stands up to demanding conditions. Optical performance is outstanding, with super-fast and precise autofocus powered by twin linear motors. Sharpness and contrast are excellent across the entire frame. The bokeh is smooth and pleasing, and the dual conventional and nanostructure coatings keep flare and ghosting at bay. The only drawback? It lacks image stabilization, but the second-generation design is smaller and lighter, making it better balanced and more comfortable on APS-C bodies. Number 3. The Fujifilm XF 50-140mm ACE 2.8 R LM OIS WR. For full-frame shooters, the 70-200mm of f2.8 is a telephoto staple. The Fujifilm XF 50-140mm is the X-mount equivalent, offering an effective 105-210mm zoom with a fast, constant f2.8 aperture. This red badge lens boasts pro-grade build quality, with 5 ED elements and 1 Super ED element, plus dual coatings for excellent image clarity. Autofocus is driven by a triple linear motor, delivering fast, precise focus. It also includes optical image stabilization with a class-leading 5-stop compensation. Though it's relatively heavy, it weighs about 2/3 of most full-frame 70-200mm ENAE f2.8 zooms, making it a solid and portable choice for telephoto work on APS-C cameras. Number 4. The Fujifilm XF 27mm f2.8 RWR. This lens improves on the beloved original with 2 key upgrades: weather resistance and a physical aperture ring. It keeps the same ultra-slim profile and impressive edge-to-edge sharpness, making it ideal for street photography or travel. It's also a perfect match for compact bodies like the XE4, where size and performance both matter. Fujifilm claims fast and silent autofocus, and while it is quick, it's a bit noisy by modern standards. Still, that's a minor trade-off for a lens this compact and capable. If you want a pocket-sized prime that delivers crisp results and blends beautifully into any lightweight setup, the XF 27mm FE 2.8 wide range is an excellent choice. Number 5. The Fujifilm XF 16-80mm f4 R OIS WR. This lens isn't the fastest Fuji non-zoom. That honor goes to the XF 16-55mm f2.8 R LM WR, but it offers a compelling balance of size, weight, and price. With a versatile 5x zoom range and optical image stabilization, sacrificing one stop of aperture seems reasonable. Outdoors, it delivers consistently strong performance, though it's less impressive in close-range lab tests. Build quality and handling are excellent, and the physical aperture ring is a standout feature every lens should have. While the XF 16 to 55mm f2.8 is Fujifilm's flagship standard zoom, the 16 to 80mm is a smaller, lighter, and more affordable all-rounder, suited to a wide range of shooting situations. So, which lens takes the crown? The Fujifilm XF. 16 to 55mm f2.8R LMWR2 stands out for its incredible sharpness, fast aperture, and all-around performance, making it the best choice for most Fujifilm X series shooters in 2025.